Okay, so in order to prevent gun shyness, what I like to do is bang pots and pans in the home while they're young to get them used to loud noises. It's good for their first loud noise exposure to be not in the field, not with a gun. That way, you know, if they are a little bit timid, they don't associate that with being in the field and hunting and the gun. We have Ellie here as well. She's an old pro, so she should probably be fine with this. So again, we just bang the pots. You can see Vada's wagging her tail, not really caring. In fact, she's kind of excited. So that's what you want to see. You want to see the dog not being scared. If the dog is acting timid, you need to stop, and then you need to take a step back. Maybe start it when your wife or your child has the dog in another room and is petting the dog to reassure it, and then you're in a different room, and then you can slowly build up to louder and closer noises.